Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to add posts and updates to YouTube. Now, similar to posting at LinkedIn or social media, I'm not talking about the videos or the shorts. I'm talking about actual text, image, caption, polls, things like that. You can do that now on YouTube, either from your phone or computer. So we'll use a computer example here to show you how to add posts to YouTube, and those can get some traction and awareness to your audience, but also attract new members to your page. So let's jump into it. It's super quick and easy. First, go to YouTube and log in. So let's go to youtube.com. And then in the top right, make sure you're logged into your account. And I like to go to YouTube Studio, but you can also go to Create, and you can create a post right here. Or you can go to your account, go to Content, you can go to Posts right here, and you can see your dashboard and analytics in terms of likes, comments, responses. So I did a poll, if you want to take a look at it. I just posted this, so it's not going to get any traction yet. There's a link to it right here. You can share on other channels. So if I copy this, I should be able to share it. Let's see. Let's post it on another account, see if I can view it. Yep, right here. So this is a poll about marketing, so I can do a response right there. So to do a new post, like I said, you can go to Create, go to Create Post, and from here it shows image poll, text poll, quiz, or video. So you can post an existing video that you have. So I can insert that here. What it's like calling Google business support. So I'm like sharing a post here. All right. And then you can also do an image post, which you can drag and drop. You can choose up to 5 images. Let's pick one here. And then you can add a caption with it. I should be able to. We can schedule it. Oh, this one doesn't allow a caption here with it. All right, so we can post that. We can do an image poll. So, which is the best design? And maybe choose a couple different logos if you're trying to get feedback on logos. Or you could do a quiz. So, what search engine gets the most search traffic? For example, Google, Bing, YouTube, or TikTok. It actually goes Google, YouTube, Bing, then TikTok. All right, and then you need to choose a winner here. Industry data, 1 billion searches per day. I think that's right. All right, so a couple different types of posts. I thought you could leave an actual text or comment with this one. Yep, Google adds screenshot of data performance. And you can share these links. You can embed them on other social media platforms. You can even like them yourself or comment yourself. The sharing button is here, so you can share it across other channels. So maybe you want to share a poll over to LinkedIn. Pretty neat new feature. New post feature from YouTube. All right. Cool. So quick and easy to make posts, updates. Google's trying to put more pressure on this, get more traction and awareness on making it more of a social collaborative platform with various post types. Similar to how Instagram, allowed going live, reels, and so on and so forth. So I hope you liked this video. Hope you found this valuable and informational. Pretty quick and easy thing. My name's Mac, founder and CEO of Momentum. I'm building out my channel, so please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on a future video. Thanks.